Hi guys, today on Modern Guide we'll be showing you how to update your phone to the latest Android version available, and with KitKat down the corner how to get your phone prepared for that update. And if you encounter any kind of problems during the process, please leave a comment below and we'll be ready to help you. What you will need is a rooted Android phone with custom recovery, a USB data cable for your phone, and a Windows machine if you don't have custom recovery. First, you'll need to head over to this website called CyanogenMod.org. Devices, the link will be down in the description. Then you want to select your phone maker, which is Samsung in this case because we are using an international version of Samsung Galaxy S3. So on the type version, you'll deselect all the unwanted types. So we are just going to leave phone selected here because we don't want a clutter of devices to select from. So we're just going to leave phone selected, and then the CyanogenMod versions, just leave what all is checked there because we want to see which latest version you'll get for your phone. Now from the clutter of devices, you'll need to choose your phone. Here we are with the Samsung Galaxy S3 international version. Now you'll need to take one extra step of confirming your code name of the device. In our case it is i9300, so confirm that name and then click on it. Now on this web page, click on nightly because we want the latest version of Android. And now from the downloads page, you need to download the latest nightly build. So which is the top one. You just click on it, the download starts. It's a zip file, so just click on it and save file. So you just want to save the file on your computer for now, and later we'll transfer it to your device. Now you need to download another file from another website called teamandroid/gapp. The link will be in the description. Scroll down a little and look for the CyanogenMod build you've downloaded. In our case it is a CyanogenMod 10.2, so we are going to download the latest version of GApps for our build. So we're going to download it from a mirror. The mirror is generally outsourced mirror. In our case it is hot file, so we'll just select regular download because we don't have a premium version of hot file. So we just gonna select, and after it is downloaded, connect your phone to your computer and transfer those two files on your phone. We're just gonna go on to our SD card. It doesn't matter if you don't have a SD card, you can do it on your internal memory. We're just gonna create a new folder called update without any. Open it. It's not compulsory, you can give that folder any name, and we're going to transfer those two files onto this folder. And after the transfer is complete, disconnect your phone and boot it into recovery. The recovery button combinations for different phones are different. You want to Google that up. Now you want to go down to backup and restore and get an Android backup of your current state of your phone, so that if anything goes bad you don't lose your data. And after the restore is done, you leave that file onto your phone, or you want to copy it onto your computer. You do it as you wish. If you don't have enough space, copy it to your computer and delete it from your SD card. Then you want to install zip from your SD card. In my case it's on my external SD card, so I select update from external SD card. Then I select the folder that I just created, update. Then I install the CyanogenMod before installing the GApps. This is primary that you install the CyanogenMod first. After the CyanogenMod is installed, you again want to head over to install from an external SD card. You tap on enter. After you get there, then you again go on to the folder that we created, which is update. You go on to update, then you select GApps this time, and after your GApps installation is complete, you want to go back to the main menu of your recovery, uh, and you want to select mounts and storage because you want to delete everything that's on your device right now except your restore file, your backup file that you just created. So go down to format data. This will not delete any of your music files or something like that. All your DCIM, and your camera pics will be there, and including your recovery backup that's just created. So go on to data, format data and select yes, then you go on to format cache and select yes, then you go on to format preload and select yes, and after you format all those three, you want to select reboot system now, and after you press enter, you will be greeted with your uh, manufacturer splash screen, and after that, instead of getting another splash screen from your manufacturer, you will see this beautiful CyanogenMod boot animation. Let's just speed this up for now. For the first time you boot, it's gonna take a long time because it's your first boot. Then after that, your consecutive boots will be a little faster, way faster. I mean, not a little faster. Then after it's booted up, you'll be greeted with your CyanogenMod setup screen, and I'm just gonna select English. Then if you are not a CyanogenMod user before, you want to select create a new account. You check for updates, then it'll ask you to enter your email ID and password. After you are done with setting up your CyanogenMod account, you will be using the latest Android version available, and now you'll be able to update further by going into system settings, about phone, and CyanogenMod updates to the latest Android version if anyone comes out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Leave a thumbs up below and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.